you and to my fellow panelists. I was expecting the Titanic to collide with icebergs tomorrow morning 5 a.m. onwards. ये तो अभी से शुरू हो गए. 2-3 icebergs तो अभी ढूंढ लिए हैं. और ये विवेक साइलेश जी की बात बता दूं, यहाँ पे ये पूरा लिस्ट दे रखी है. इतनी कड़ी सुरक्षा है मिर्जापुर में. ये कोई बाउंड्री वॉल एलिजेडली जेसीबी किसी भी न्यूज में नहीं है. ये ना टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया में, ना हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स में, ना किसी भी उसमें समाजवादी पार्टी ने अलेज किया है, ट्वीट कर दिया है कि स्ट्रांग रूम में जेसीबी से तोड़ दिया. ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ है. ये हिंदी में लिखा हुआ है, तृतीय सुरक्षा घेरे में है स्ट्रांग रूम. मिर्जापुर की न्यूज अमर उजाला की. इसमें हर्षवर्धन जी हैं, वो ज्यादा बता सकते हैं क्योंकि अभी हिंदी वाले न्यूज वाले कवर कर रहे हैं. तो ऐसी अफवाहें फैला रहे हैं. वीवीपैट का पूरा इलेक्शन कमीशन ने 2 साल से फॉर 2 years दे हैव कॉन्टैक्टेड साइंटिस्ट फ्रॉम IIT चेन्नई, फ्रॉम इंडियन स्टैटिस्टिकल इंस्टीट्यूट, फ्रॉम एवरीवेयर एल्स, एंड दे हैव कम टू द कंक्लूजन दैट अ सर्वे ऑफ वीवीपैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट एंड इट इज ऑलरेडी बीइंग डन बाय द इलेक्शन कमीशन. ऑल वीवीपैट्स कैनॉट बी काउंटेड because it will cause insurmountable delays and Supreme Court has accepted it. Why on earth? Tehseen, I did not interrupt.
I'm so sorry.
I was absolutely
really
silent. Please, thank you.
Really sorry.
Thank you. So the Supreme Court has taken cognizance of this rumor mongering and blatant politicking of the EVMs, not just for the last week, Navika, for the last 10-15 years. And of course, it is a fact that when BJP was in opposition, it was also, allaying fears regarding EVM. But after that, so much has happened. Not a single incident worthy of mention has happened where the EVMs have been hacked, first of all, or the VVPATs have led to a wrongful estimation of the votes. Can we please stop this rumor mongering once and for all? But I don't expect this to stop, because tomorrow you have already seen what Samajwadi Party leaders and others have said. They are intent on spreading anarchy. They are intent on coming onto the road and causing what? Despite winning, what in Bengal happened in 2021, post-poll violence out here, even though they will lose or win, they are intent on causing violence.
Vivek Silent.
No, I just wanted to ask him, what do you have to say about Jaunpur, where 600 EVMs, illegitimate EVMs were found? And this is the news from Mirzapur. This is the news from Mirzapur. I said the strong room was not breached, Navika ji. I said the boundary wall was breached.
But that was also fake. That was also fake.
No,
but Ajay Alok, जो अब मिर्जापुर छोड़ दिया गया है, अब हम जौनपुर चले गए हैं. We have gone to Jaunpur, then we are going to Pune, then we are going to Kerala, then we are going to Chhattisgarh. We are going everywhere. Kerala, because, 1 minute. And Tehseen said, why does this only happen in BJP ruled state? Kerala BJP ruled कब से हो गया?
I'm sorry, Ajay bhai, sorry, I didn't say that. I'm saying EVMs get stolen from BJP ruled states. I'm saying whenever there's an extra vote in the EVM, it is only BJP. Even in Kerala, extra votes of BJP. And those EVMs had come from...
भैया सिक्किम में नोटा से कम वोट मिले हैं. अब now you're fighting. Let me.
Why are extra votes always BJP? 10 वोट आए, अगर 12 होते EVM में, वो 2 वोट BJP के क्यों होते? Why don't you get somebody else? वो क्यों ऐसे होते?
अजय आलोक, ये जो extra votes हैं, why are they always for the BJP? Please respond.
First of all, extra votes is an imagination of the Congress party. They are always in worry that how to get those extra votes. But they are not getting the votes. Forget about the extra votes. I'll just ask Tehseen one thing. I take everything what Vivek Salas and Tehseen says. I take everything. Okay, fine. So why are your leaders coming out and saying that a home minister called up 150 DMs and he is not responding? Why is your leader coming out and saying कि सर पे कफन बांध लो, ये बीजेपी के राज में तो वैसे ही मर गए हो, रोड पे आ जाओ, रंग दो बसंती चोला?
We have to be alert.
Why RJD is saying हमारे हाथ में कुछ नहीं रहेगा?
No. We can.
No. Is this how you sound alert message? No. Is this how you sound the alert message? Is this how you sound alert message?
We have to charge our कार्यकर्तास at the end of the day.
To create violence?
No, not at all.
Because बलिदान के लिए तैयार रहो. बलिदान के लिए तैयार रहो.
No one is going to create any violence,
but
we have to protect the EVM.
You know what terrorists in POK teach?
We don't.
What terrorists in POK teach?
No.
What terrorists in POK teach? फिदायीन बनो, अल्लाह की खातिर जाओ.
That is why they have
जन्नत में
given
हूरें
instructions
मिलेंगी. That's what Akhilesh Yadav
to
is
protect
preaching.
the EVMs, and we have to make sure that whatever
what
the vote
Akhilesh
share
Yadav
comes
is
out has
preaching,
to be
like, you
perfect.
become benign.
That is the only thing, and that is the only criteria.
Well, let me get in Suhail
Very
Singh.
sadly mistaken. Don't try and defend the
EVM number
indefensible.
and 17C and EVMs, they are different mismatch. He's put it out. How are they different? Can you explain that to me?
No, but wherever there is such a problem, you have to only go, go
when
to
we
the
are-
election
When
commission.
we are going, the election commissioner is treating the opposition like they are some enemies of the
No, one
nation.
minute,
He's
yeah,
a
one
bureaucrat,
minute,
the
one
election
minute.
commissioner.
1 minute.
How dare he treats political
He's
parties?
not a bureaucrat, my friend.
He was a bureaucrat
He
who's been
was a
promoted. Who's
bureaucrat.
been promoted.
He is now the chief election
If he's the chief
commissioner, a
election, he should give
constitutional.
respect to the chair,
He heads
not
a
treat opposition like
constitutional
enemies.
body,
So
my
you should
friend.
remember,
So don't
he's
look at
better
everybody
treated
as a
by-
bureaucrat.